Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You will start by preparing the phone and computer. This avoids delays. On your phone, tap build number 7 times to unlock developer options, then turn on USB debugging and set USB to file transfer. On your PC, make sure the OEM USB driver is installed or add the Google USB driver via SDK Manager. This gives ADB proper access. Once done, connect the phone with a good USB cable and watch for a prompt to allow USB debugging. Accept it so Android Studio can communicate. Now configure Android Studio and ADB so builds deploy correctly. First, verify ADB sees your phone using a DB Devices or Android Studio's Device Manager. This proves connectivity. Then ensure your project's Min SDK and Target SDK match the phone's capabilities and choose an appropriate ABI. Next, select the device in Run Right Arrow Select Device and deploy a debug build. If the device does not appear, restart the ADB server or Android Studio. This resolves most mid-process handshake problems and permission hiccups. Finish by installing and running the app while monitoring Logcat for runtime messages. This shows why a crash or install error happened. Once the app launches, test core flows and inspect permissions. If deployment fails, toggle the phone's USB mode, revoke and reauthorize USB debugging, then restart the ADB server. These steps fix most issues. Make sure to check the physical connection. Use a different USB cable or port, and confirm driver versions. Hardware faults often mimic software errors, so replace the cable if needed.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.